What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to replace a string in alpha pattern bracelets. Whether your string is all knotted up and you can't untie it, or you ran out of length, or maybe your string snapped. Sometimes you just got to replace a string, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First, wherever your string is that needs replacing, you're going to put it underneath the bass strings that are in front of it. Then you're going to put that up and to the right if you're doing forward knots. But if you're on a row that's doing backward knots, you're going to put it up and to the left. Then you're going to grab your new string and put it behind and on the opposite side. And make sure you have enough length up there to tie it into your bracelet at the top. Okay, you're going to tape it down. And then with that new string, you're just going to continue doing that row of knots like nothing happened. So here I am just knotting my strings like nothing happened. Once you do a few rows, you can just go ahead and trim that old string that you've replaced. And what you're going to do with that is you can either tie it to the top of your bracelet where all your excess string is, or you can cut it short, like less than an inch, and use craft glue to glue the excess onto the back of your bracelet. I would not recommend cutting it short and just leaving it hang there, because it may stay for a while, but since it's short, you're risking it coming untied, and then your bracelet would get ruined, and nobody wants that. And that is all you need to know for replacing your string on an alpha pattern. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about bracelet making, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post. All my tutorials are beginner friendly, so anyone can learn how to make friendship bracelets.